Today we have Rajiv Malhotra, and he's the most loved scholar, Indian scholar from America, who has done such human service to our country and such an eloquent speaker, and above all that wonderful gentleman. And we will release his book. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ತಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಲೇಖಕರಾದ ರಾಜೀವ್ ಮಲ್ಹೋತ್ರಾ ಜಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ. ತಾವು ವಿಶ್ವದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದು ಜನರ ಮನರ ಗಮನವನ್ನು ಸೆಳೆದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಭಾರತದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರವಚನಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಹೆಸರು ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಇಂದು ತಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ್ ಎನ್ನುವ ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನು ಬರೆದು ಗುರುಜಿ ಅವರ ಕೈಲಿ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. This release, we are requesting Rajiv Malhotra ji to speak a few words. And another information, after this 2 words, there will be a big lecture, 1 hour in the Gauri Hall after the satsang is over, so people can interact and learn more about it.
I've been to the ashram before and thoroughly enjoyed my stay. And after this satsang is over, I will give a talk in details about this book and answer questions about the book. And we have plenty of copies available of this book. In essence, the book is about, it's called The Battle for Sanskrit. Actually, it's the battle for Sanskriti, our civilization. Sanskrit is the DNA of our Sanskriti, and the two are intertwined and interrelated. And the battle is between those who are insiders and those who are outsiders. All of us here are insiders. We have Shraddha, we have Guru, we have practice, we have experience, we see it as our heritage. So we are insiders, we are practitioners. Outsiders are those who are atheist, secular, Marxist, leftist, whatever. And the battle is that in the academic world globally, it is the outsiders who enjoy the power, and they discuss the discourse, they create the discourse about our tradition. So this book gives you many examples where the outsiders have created certain theories and certain siddhanta which the insiders would not accept. And the purpose of writing this book is to empower the insiders to be able to argue back. So we balance the discussion, we balance the discourse. So I will go into details in my lecture, and thank you so much for the honor.
And the talk will be, we will put that also on our website later on. You can, those who want to see can see also. But do ask him good questions. He's excellent in answering questions.